Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? Kind of low key. I had something happen to me that kind of threw me for a loop. Do you ever have those times where it's like, oh, I didn't expect this. I really didn't expect this. Or, oops. That's one. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. That was me acting out of habit. Or that maybe wasn't something that honored my self-esteem, like honored me as a desirable person and a person that is worthy and enough. Maybe I didn't honor that. And that's what happened. You ever have those times? Yes, we all do. And first step, forgive. Get to that forgiveness pretty quickly, because if you don't, you're going to do the beating up process. As my friends were telling me, don't beat yourself up, Ann. It's okay. You're human and you had fun. I'm like, yeah, fun, but the aftermath. It's the aftermath. It's sometimes when you're doing something and you're like, whoa, yeah, woo! And then you're like, oh, shoot. You know, it's that emotional hangover, that hangover, or just, you know, the hangover of the choice, whatever that choice was. I know this is kind of a weird subject, but I want to address these more negative things that we have to contend with. Because, yeah, we can focus on all the good and do all the affirmations and, you know, read the little booky poos and, you know, tell ourselves that, you know, there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Well, sometimes you fall on the stairs. Sometimes you fall on the stairs. How do you get up? How do you get up? I made an analogy with a friend of mine the other day that I fell off the horse a little bit on one of my goals. And actually, I fell off the horse, let the horse run away, and I laid there crying on the ground for a little bit. But I have gotten up, and I went after the horse, got a hold of the reins, getting the horse calmed down and myself calmed down, jumping back up on that horse. So I think that's a pretty good way to think of things when you run into a snag or you find yourself operating from your paradigm that took you many years to create. And at least now you're observant. You need to observe and go, oh, that's not necessarily what I want to do. I'm going to have some discipline. And when you fail in your discipline, you just have to start. And you might have to start over, but you just have to keep going and say, okay, yes, that happened. Acknowledge, forgive, move on. Not easy, but doable. And you need encouragement, and you need to have love for yourself and forgiveness for yourself, and just keep using all those techniques. Look at your affirmations, read books, listen to uplifting music, hug your dog, go for a walk, get some exercise. You know, read something inspirational. There's a lot of things you can do. And so I've been doing all of that. And I've been crying a little too, because emotion is okay. You got to acknowledge your feelings before, you know, anything else. You can't just say, well, I don't feel that way. I don't feel that way. That's when you're going to find some strange things happening. So I just want to encourage you, if you fell on the stairs or you fell off the horse and you let the horse run away, just get up. Get up. Get going. Do it again. Go back at it. You can do it. Do it with me. I'd love to hear from you. Make a comment. Send me an email, morningshiftwithann@gmail.com. I'm so grateful that you watch my videos. If you do, I don't care if it's 1 or 1,000,000. Right now, it's not that much, but that's okay. I'm going to keep going because I know that this is something I'm supposed to do. I just know it. So I'm going to keep doing it. So have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift.